Here we are back again with another amazing video. Thanks for being here, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos and more ideas. So let's get started. In our today's video I am going to show you some vintage wood animal art ideas, and we are going to tell you how to upcycle your old waste wood in beautiful ways to decorate your home and upgrade your skills. So let's get started. Upcycling old waste wood to create a vintage wood animal art is a wonderful way to breathe a new life into a discarded material. Not only it allows for creative expression, but it's also an eco-friendly solution that helps reduce waste and lessen the impact on the environment. Vintage wood animal art can take many forms and styles, from rustic to modern, abstract to realistic. Here are some ideas to get you started on your own recycling project. One of the most traditional way to create a vintage wood animal art is through a wood carving, and this technique involves using carving tools shape the wood into a desired form and create intricate details. Rustic wood carving can evoke a sense of nostalgia and the simplicity, and you can left natural to paint to add a pop of color. For those who love to experiment with different materials, consider creating a mixed media sculpture. This technique involves combining wood with other materials such as metal, glass, and the textile to create a one-of-kind of piece of art. Animal shape can be carved on or constructed for various material, allowing for endless possibilities in design. For a more intricate and a detailed approach to the vintage wood animal art, try a wood burning. This technique involves using a wood burning tool to create an intricate design and the pattern on the surface of the wood. Animal shapes can be incorporated into a design, or the entire piece can be focused slowly on the intricate wood burning design. When it comes to upcycling old wood waste wood to create a vintage wood animal art, the possibilities are truly endless. Not only in this an eco-friendly solution that reduces waste, but it also express creativity and add unique piece of art to your home and workspace. Before starting your upcycle project, it's important to make sure that the wood is safe to work with. Some old wood may contain chemical and other harmful substance, so be sure to do your research and take the necessary safety precautions. Once you have found suitable wood for your woodwork, the next step is to choose your animal and the design, whether you choose to carve, paint, sculpt, or the wood burning. The key is to let your creativity and fun with the process. In addition to creating a unique and beautiful pieces of art, upcycling wood waste would also help reduce the waste and lessen the impact on the environment by giving a new life to the discarded material. Can all do the part of creating a more sustainable future. The vintage wood animal art can offer a range of benefits, including aesthetic appeal. Vintage wood animal art can add a unique rustic charm to any space. It can serve as a conversation starter and a focal point in a room. Using vintage wood for the art piece is an eco-friendly approach, as it purposes old material and instead of contributing to a new demand for a wood. connect with nature. The use of natural materials such as wood and the portrayal of animal in art create a sense of connection with nature and bringing the outside world inside. Vintage food animal art can have a timeless quality that transcends trends, meaning it can enjoy for a year to come. Some people may have a personal collection to the particular animal or the vintage food art which can hold emotional value and the significance. Vintage food art can be customized to fit a specific space to the incorporate a particular animal or a style. This provides a flexibility in